got another video for you guys. Today's video is about tips and tricks. Some of you guys might know these tricks, some of you guys might not know it. I'm going to share it with you anyway. So if you find it helpful, you guys give me a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Some more, any other videos you want me to create for you guys, let me know. So let's get into the video. So the first thing I'm going to show you is go to your message. When you type in something and you type something by accident, what you do is just grab the phone and shake it. And you see undo typing comes up, and then you can get your thing back. And the next thing what you do is when you type in something and the scroll goes away, press spacebar and just move it. As you can see, now you can control it. You can put it anywhere you want. The next thing is, sometimes I find it annoying when you type in a long digit number and then you realize you press the wrong number. All you do is just wipe it to the right or to the left, and then the one number will be deleted. As you can see, that's very helpful. The next thing I'm going to show you is go to your settings, go to screen time, go to content, private and restriction. This helps. This is in case you're giving your phone to your kids to play with or watch a movie, whatever, or watch a cartoon, and you don't want them to delete. As you can see, install apps, allow, delete apps, allowed, in-app purchase. You can disable all these ones, so whenever they're trying to download anything or delete anything, you don't get deleted. It doesn't get deleted. As you can see, it's all allowed. So I'm going to show you. So now when I go to app, press it, just hold it. You can't exit. As you can see, the X sign doesn't come up. I find that very useful. The next thing I'm going to show you is go to Control Center, go to Customize Control. This is where you can edit your control panel. You can add whatever you want, or you can remove whatever you want. So it makes it easier. As you can see, I've got my low power mode on straight away. So when I swipe it, I've got all these menus there, so it'll be easy. So the next thing I'm going to show you is when you press the record button and just hold it, and this is how you put the mic on. You want to use your phone as a record camera. So the last thing I'm going to show you is when your phone is charging, the best way to do is put your airplane mode and your phone will charge faster. So I hope you guys find this helpful. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Thank you.